Hey guys, this filter is for the Membrane Solutions air purifier system. It is a true HEPA H13 rated. They're simple to replace. Let me show you how. First of all, when you order, you need to look for the part number that you need. That you will usually find inside the cover or on the back. My air purifier model is MSA3, and that's what I searched when I was looking for the replacement filter. To replace the air filter, you're going to pull the top cover, get a bag ready so you can dispose of the filter into a plastic bag as soon as you remove it so you don't spread any dirty air anywhere. You will find the arrows of the direction that you need to insert the filter. You can see the arrows right here. Replace the cover. Turn the air purifier on and make sure to reset your air filter by pressing and holding the reset button. And you're ready to go.